I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Hey guys, it's Denny and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the affordable, simple, cute way I did a photo shoot for my 1-year-old at home. So if you guys are interested to see how this goes and how the photos turn out, then keep watching this video. So here I'm just showing you all the supplies that I got. So this backdrop is from Target. This cookie jar is also from Target. I got the cookies from, I think, Food Line or something. And then I got this little banner from Party City, which was really nice, great color, love to match everything. And then I got these balloons from Target. Alright y'all, so this is the area that I'm working with. It's actually in a weird spot, but it works. So it is actually on the other side of our island where our bar stools usually are. That little space under there, it's quite a long distance and enough for the baby to sit up under and have so much room, and it just was like the only blank space in our house. So that is what I'm using to do the photo shoot. So my recommendation is just finding a blank wall. It doesn't really matter where exactly that wall is. For us, this worked out, but you might have, you know, a wall, a bigger space, a different area, but use just what you have in your house. Use the space that you have. Alright y'all, so first things first is I am setting up my ring light. This is an essential piece for me when I'm doing any sort of project, because good lighting is just will take your project to the next level, in my opinion. So I got this ring light a long time ago for like Black Friday for like maybe $25-30 from Walmart. And it comes with a remote and everything. So this is just something I love to have for, you know, for any photo shoots, videos, even like Zoom calls and everything like that. So these work pretty well. You can find them literally anywhere, but this is a huge piece for me that I think really helped this photo shoot, you know, pop. So here y'all, I'm trying to set up this little backdrop. So I'm peeling off the back, which I really like that it was just sticky adhesive, because I didn't know how I was gonna stick this on there. But yeah, so I'm just peeling that off, and then I'm gonna start placing it the way that I want it and try to be careful with it because it was like crumbling together. But yeah, so I just tape it to the top and smooth that out, and then I'm just gonna play around with it a little bit and kind of fix it to how I want it. So now y'all, I'm going to be adding some decor to the backdrop. So right here you see me putting together this banner, which it took me a little minute to put it together, y'all, because first I was trying to figure out how I was gonna do it and making sure I'm getting it all on the right side and all that good stuff. So it took me not too long to put this together. I didn't end up using all of the little triangles that came with it because I'm doing a smaller backdrop. So I just kept doing that, as you can see there, until I got it all done. So now that the backdrop is put down and I finished the banner, I'm gonna hang these command strips, place these command strips on the side so that I can hang the banner to it. Because at first I was trying to figure out how I was gonna hang the banner on this, if I was gonna like tape it, but then I forgot I had these command strips. So that is what I'm doing. It's just easier that way, and it's more stable. So yeah, I'm just putting the command strip hooks on each side of it. Then I'm just going to be tying the blue banner that I put together on each side, and I had to kind of tie it a little bit tighter and like get it to the position that I wanted it. So yeah, it worked out though. It came out good. So now y'all, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with the bottom part where baby boy is going to be sitting. So at first I was like, should I just leave like the backdrop like on the floor like that? And then I was like, let me get this sheet I had. It's, you know, the navy blue color. But then I could not find like the regular sheet, so we have the fitted sheet that I'm trying to work with. And at first I was not feeling it. It was not giving. I wanted the other sheet, but I could not find it. So I just made do with what I had, and I'm just trying to figure out if I want to put, you know, the pieces of the backdrop on it, how I want to do it. And then I ended up using my white IKEA rug to be part of the decor as well. So you just see me pushing the backdrop behind it and trying to figure out what I want to do, but I ended up figuring it out and it worked out for me in the end. So yeah, you'll see all of that. Alright, y'all, so moving on from the backdrop, I am now going to blow up some balloons to attach to the backdrop and for the decor and all that. So I just got this pump from the Dollar Tree, and the balloons are from Target, as y'all saw in the beginning, and I'm just pumping those up. I find that the pump is very easy compared to using your mouth, and I got them done in a quicker time. So I'm just pumping up these. I think I did 2 of each color, and I just attached them to the back of the backdrop, as you will see here. But yeah, this was super easy. It didn't take me but maybe 5 minutes to do all of these. Not super long, and yeah, it just worked out. I recommend getting one. I wish I had like the automatic ones, but the little handheld one did its job for what I needed at the time. So yeah. Now to the prop that brings this whole idea together. I am now putting the cookies in the cookie jar, which ended up being my baby's favorite part. I think I have some clips in there of him eating these cookies, but I'm basically just taking out the cookies and just setting them in the cookie jar. I didn't really do it in an organized fashion. I just wanted the cookie jar to just look full of cookies, so I didn't do like, you know, the little stacking them and all that stuff. That's not what I was going for. So I just kind of overlapped them a bit, but kind of just threw them in there really. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so now I have all these balloons that I need to attach to the backdrop. So at first I was looking for my clear tape, but I could not find my clear tape at all. So what I ended up doing was taking some duct tape pieces. It literally is orange duct tape. I couldn't find any other color, and I just put a little piece of the duct tape and stuck it to the wall, and then stuck the bottom of the balloon on it. At first I was having some trouble with it, but it ended up working out for me, y'all. Listen, I'm gonna improvise and I'm gonna use what I got in my house to get the job done, and it took me a minute to figure it out, but I did. And you don't actually see the orange duct tape at all, which I really liked. But yeah, y'all, use what y'all got in y'all's house, okay? Alright, y'all, so I forgot to mention the way that I am doing these balloons. I didn't really have a plan going into it, but I ended up just putting them like one of each color on each side, and I kind of put them in like a little clover type shaping, like 3-leaf clover. So they're just in a set of 3, and that pretty much worked for me, and it looked really good in the end. So that's what I went with. Like I said, I'm using the orange duct tape to stick them on the wall, and once they all come together, it looks so cute, which y'all will see in the next clip. So y'all, that is pretty much what I did. As you can see here, I am taking the pictures on my phone. I did some on my phone, some on my camera, and I'm gonna post the results at the end. But yeah, y'all, I would definitely do this again. It was super fun, super cute, super affordable, and he actually did really good. So this is just an alternative for you guys if you want to do a photo shoot at home and you don't want to spend a lot of money, and y'all know how kids get. But let me know how you guys like this video. Comment below if you've done an at-home photo shoot for your kids at any point. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.